only know how difficult it was for the teachers to make us understand things very deeply, and they just indulge into the topic, and they made us understand each and every part of the subject very nicely and thoroughly.
I would like to thank the people who have smartly and precisely designed our volumes, which have gave us a thorough insight of the entire topic, which helped us prepare quite well for our exams. I would like to thank especially Katie sir. It's because of him I've started loving maths.
If you study with 100% concentration here, there's no need for you to go study back at home. But the need to do your homeworks and to appear for each and every exam is a must.
The faculty here is excellent and they make each and every concept very clear to you, and they will also clear all of your doubts, whether you ask them in class or in the monthly doubt solving sessions. The tests we gave as well, they help to create an environment which mimic that of the board exams, and a lot of the questions that I solved during the test series here were repeated in the boards as well, and therefore I was much more confident while giving the exams.
I improved my score in maths from 50% to 90%, which was a great achievement for me.
All the UT teachers were very different in the way of teaching. Some were very strict, no nonsense teachers, some were very fun loving teachers.
Best decision I had ever made till my 10th standard, because Universal Tutorials has everything you need in a 10th standard. It can help you in everything. They have this test series which was a boon for me. It actually helped me to understand the pattern of question papers that could come from my board exams, and also how a single question could be asked in different ways. So that helped me to prepare best way possible. And talking about faculty, it's the best, and the teachers are very friendly, they're very helpful. Even if you have a doubt, like if a topic is going on and you have a doubt from the previous topic, you can always ask it in the class. And you can always get a class scheduled, doubt lecture scheduled on your own, even if it's just you. They're always there for you.
2 days before boards, I was at UT Vashi for clearing my doubts. The last minute tip of the teachers really helped me.
I had also studied for the NTSC stage 1, and at that point of time I had missed a lot of my tests. Thankfully UT was very lenient and very helpful to me, and they arranged the test specially for me later, which not only helped me clear for NTSC stage 1, but later I could attempt all the exams successfully and gain good marks in my board exams.
There were many classes which have come up in Navi Mumbai, but class which is having a holistic approach, like the class which is concentrating on other subjects besides science and maths, that is social sciences, Hindi, English, with equal importance, and that I could find in Universal Tutorial.
For my juniors, I would like to say, please study hard. Also, eat well, good food. Do not eat junk food before your exam.
During February 2016 examination, my daughter were scored out of 70, 11 marks in the maths test. In spite, teachers and the management and the staffs never discourage. They have the tools to motivate the students and the parents. And in final examination, my daughter scored 91 out of 100